This is a video about dowsing and winning the lottery. Now first of all you'll need some scissors, a pen, a form of dowsing tool, which is what I've got at the moment is a chain and my pendulum with my quartz crystal, which I normally wear, and a piece of paper. And what you do is you write all the numbers of the lottery down on the piece of paper and you cut them into squares. Now these are the ones I've already done, which I have cut into pieces and put all the numbers on. With the pendulum, we first need to ask some questions in order to find out what the answer is for yes and for no. So first of all we're going to start with the pendulum and we hold it in between our thumb and our finger, like so, any way it feels comfortable, and we hold that about approximately 20 to 30 centimetres between our thumb and our finger. We hold our arm out as straight as we can and we can rest it on the table or we can hold it at an angle. Now it's probably best to hold it at an angle, and I think that's a little bit too long. Just put it up a bit, hold it a bit better. Okay. A second. Hold it. Right. Now we need to first of all ask some questions so we know we're getting the right answer, either to yes or to no. So first of all we're going to ask the question, which is,
am I wearing a pink cardigan?
Okay, that'll do. So we're going to see how it moves. Just hold your hand out straight. Keep your hand as straight as possible and see which way it's turning. So if it turns normally clockwise is normally yes, and anti-clockwise would be no. At the moment it's trying to make up its mind. It's not sure. You have to ask the question again.
Am I wearing a pink cardigan?
So it's starting to go round in a clockwise motion. Sometimes you can get a reverse effect, which is anti-clockwise will mean yes and clockwise will mean no. So you've got to try it out a few times and find out which way is yes for you and no for you. Right, let's ask a question that isn't true. Anything simple, and see what happens.
Do I have black eyes?
Okay, so let's see what happens. Ask again.
Do I have black eyes?
Just keep your arms still if you can. You're moving about a bit much there. Just keep your arm a bit straight. Ask again.
Do I have black eyes?
Okay, and it's turning anti-clockwise now. So we've kind of figured out that yes is clockwise and anti-clockwise is no. Now what you want to do, if you want to get the numbers out and put them on the table, we can then use that with the lottery numbers to predict the lottery. Now what you would want to do really is to put them all out, all over the table, Now this could be quite time consuming because you might actually want to go over all the numbers until you get a positive result. You can also use a calendar to predict which date it's going to win. So let's just try with, what's the date today? So if we say next Saturday, so what's the date next Saturday? Next Saturday is, next Saturday would be the 12th of January. So if we say 12th of January 2013, and what we want to do is we want to start over here, first going over all the numbers until you kind of feel a pull around a certain area. So we're holding that up and we're just going, and if the pendulum starts to swing violently as we get over a number, we will then know if this is going to be one of the predicted numbers for next week. So we've got to focus on our question while we're actually going over this. And we've got all the numbers here. Is there any particular? You've got a bit of a swing there. Let's just go back over here again. Seems to be over this number here. Now that's got a no there, isn't it? Are these the numbers that we're going to use for next Saturday? Next Saturday being the, what number was that again? This is the 12th of January. 12th of January, we've got quite a lot of swinging going on there, so we need to move over there. We need it to swing the other way. Let's just go still again, which is 2013 on the 12th of January. Okay. Now that one there has started swinging there, number 29. Okay, so we make a note of that number, if you can carry on. Number 29. Now you can use this every week. Sometimes it is a little bit out and you may get the predictions possibly for the following week. So you could try this and then try these numbers for a couple of weeks to see what happens. So this is one way of trying to predict the lottery results. Thank you very much for listening to my video.